Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use threads in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your threads. Now from here you can see your threads feed. In this search icon, you can search anyone whom you want to follow and you can press your follow option. In this plus icon, you can post your threads. After typing your threads, you have to press your post option. In this heart icon, you can see here activity. You can see your follows, replies, mentions, quotes, repost and verified. And the last option, you can edit your profile. That's it. So this is how to use threads in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.